Gabby! Gabby! Blaze, AJ, what are you guys doing here? We need your help. Something's wrong with Blaze. What's the matter, Blaze?
I don't know. It's really strange. Something inside of me keeps making this funny noise. Here, listen.
Huh, that is a strange sound. Here, Blaze, get on the hydraulic lift so I can see what's wrong. Going up!
Whoa!
The sound's coming from your transmission, Blaze. I'm gonna need my tools to look inside. Whoa, Gabby, what is that? It's my toolbox. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. Every tool I could ever need is in this toolbox. Wow. So, which tool do you think you'll use to fix Blaze? I'll probably go with a number 4 wrench. Where's the wrench with a 4 on it? Yeah, there it is! Aha! Blaze, I found your problem.
What? What is it, Gabby?
There's something stuck in here. It's a rubber ducky.
A rubber ducky? I wonder how that got in there.
Well, Blaze, you're all fixed.
Thanks, Gabby. I sure am glad you have all those tools.
Hey, look! It's Stripes.
Guys, you're never gonna believe what happened to me.
What is it, Stripes?
I was out climbing when I slipped and hit my bumper, and now look! It's broken!
Yeesh.
Ooh. Don't worry, Stripes. I can fix that. I just need to grab my toolbox and...